a motorcycle to the defendant to fix.
An accident mangled his prized possession.
Oh, that bike's really messed up.
A little bit.
You really messed up the bike.
Then,
He wanted a cheaper price on the repairs.
personalities collide at the repair shop.
He didn't do anything for me. He didn't save me no money, telling me all these lies. And I said, what do you think I am? You think I'm stupid?
Are you supposed to use zip ties in a bike?
Judge Judy.
Mr. Cano, you brought a motorcycle to the defendant to fix. He said he would fix it. It needed some cosmetic work.
Yes, ma'am.
And he said he would fix the motorcycle. Ultimately, your bill would be about $5,000. And you agreed to that. And you gave him some money up front, $3,500, balance to be paid when the motorcycle was ready. According to what I read, you went to pick up the motorcycle, you looked at it, you weren't satisfied with the way it looked. You said the work was pretty shoddy. You wanted to take the motorcycle and not pay him. Police were called. According to you, which I'm not accepting as truthful, police said, pay him the money, take your motorcycle and sue him, which is what you did. Were the police called to your shop?
No, ma'am.
Did they ever come to your shop?
No, ma'am.
Well, how did this police story get in here?
The reason I called the police is I didn't know what to do. I was not aware of what I could and couldn't do. I thought that when you steal someone's money, that's illegal. And I thought what he
Okay,
was
so the
doing was
police
illegal.
told you it was a...
Right.
Okay, I got it.
Right.
Okay, when did you purchase this bike?
Oh, I want to say October 2017.
And when did you take it to Mr. Aiken to be fixed?
I took the bike. He came to my house the 1st of October, and he picked up the bike from my house until October 2018, ma'am.
So you rode the bike from 17 to 18?
No, ma'am. I was in an accident in November.
November of 2017?
Yes, ma'am.
You were in an accident with the bike?
Yes, ma'am.
Which rendered it inoperable?
It was only cosmetic, and that case is still pending.
What does that mean, that case? What does that mean?
I can't really talk a lot about the case because I'm still in court for it with an attorney with the other party in the accident. But I had an accident with a gentleman, and we're still fighting that case in court, ma'am.
Who's suing whom?
I'm suing the other gentleman, ma'am.
What are you suing him for?
Because he performed. I'm not allowed to say those based on what my lawyer has informed
Listen,
me.
let me explain something to you. That's a civil case.
Okay.
I don't care, actually, what your lawyer said to you. I'm not trying a case twice, Mr. Cano. If what you're saying to me is you were in an accident with someone in 2017, and you are suing that person for the accident.
For the
accident.
Damages, yes, ma'am.
For injuries and damage, when injuries and damage concern your motorcycle.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, so if you are successful in that action, Mr. Cano, you will be reimbursed for your motorcycle. If your motorcycle was damaged, substantially damaged, you're going to be reimbursed for your motorcycle. Now, you want to be reimbursed 2 times? Once in that case and once in this case?
Negative, ma'am. If the accident happens, the person is supposed to reimburse me already. When with this gentleman, I paid him for service. He did not do the proper service.
Yes, but you're going to get the money back.
Right, but...
Yeah, you're going to get the money back. If you're successful, Mr. Cano, in your lawsuit that you have against Mr. Smith,
Yes, ma'am.
then you're going to get probably all the money that you paid for your motorcycle if you say that Mr. Smith was in the wrong. What I'm saying to you is you can't come here and say, I can't discuss it with you. So if you want to go and chat with your lawyer and say, listen, she's saying to me, I can't say to her, I don't want to talk about that.
I can absolutely talk to you about the motorcycle. I cannot talk to you about the details of the accident, ma'am. Now, as far as the accident is concerned, because I have money in the bank and I decide to fix my bike does not make a difference whether or not I win on the first case or not, ma'am.
That means that you get paid twice.
Negative.
For the same bike.
I have money. Negative, ma'am. I have money in the bank. Just because I have money in the bank and I did the right thing with my finances, that to me, I don't see how I'm getting paid twice, ma'am.
If I had Mr. Aiken pay for your motorcycle and Mr. Smith pay for your motorcycle, the other court awards you money for Mr. Smith, you get paid twice. And what I'm telling you is, courts don't work that way.
If I never took the bike to Mr. Aiken to be repaired, we wouldn't be in court. The money I would have used to repair my bike would have been the money that was awarded to me by the court. I would not have, it would not come out of my pocket.
Correct.
At this moment in time, I have paid him for a service out of my pocket. I have not received...
Well, then you...